Here's a video to help you understand how to divide fractions with the same denominator. So if you look at our examples, all three have the same denominator. So when we work on this, well, first we have our dividend and our divisor. Every division statement has that. The first number is the dividend, the second one is the divisor. If we write it as a fraction, a numerator is our dividend, the denominator is our divisor. Or when we talk about long division, if I say 4 divided by 2, 4 is our dividend, 2 is our divisor. So those are some different things, okay? Let's take a look. We want to always draw our first fraction, which we call our dividend. I had a former student who taught me this trick for drawing, so I know I need 9 pieces. So this is what he told me. He said, well, don't draw all of them and just start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then finish, and then always double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Beautiful. And then I have to shade in 8 of those 9s. So I also had a different student, and I'm going to use a different color for this, but when you're working with pencil, told me just shade just diagonals like this. 3 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops, that wasn't the best. 5. Now they look much better. 6, 7, 8. They look much better on my notebook, on my paper, but on a Chromebook, we'll do the best we can. So I'm asking myself, how many sets or groups of 4/9 are in 8/9? And that's really what division is, whether it's whole numbers, decimals, or fractions. How many sets, if you want to be fancy, how many sets of the divisor are inside the dividend? What? How many 4/9 are in 8/9? So we like to circle sets or groups of 4/9. So I have 1, 2, 3. Here's one set of 4/9. And if you keep your circle going right along that line, you'll be in good shape. Here's another set of 4/9. So they're kind of not really circles. They're almost like square kind of circles, which is great. So that means there are 2 sets. So there are, I apologize for my sloppy writing. There are 2 sets of 4/9 in 8/9. So 8/9 divided by 4/9 is indeed equal to 2, because that's how many circles we have. So there we go. Nothing left over, so not too tricky there. Okay, let's look at our second example. Boop. This time we have something that looks a little different. I'm going to go to purple, because it's my favorite color. Now I have 15/4. Okay, so my former student told me 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 15. I like to draw right underneath the other one just so I can line those up. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I need more. I'm going to go next to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I know my multiplication facts, 4 times 3, I have 12. Okay. I still need more. 1, 2, 3. So let's see. 4, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 16 total boxes, 15 of those. So because it's fourths, I still have to keep my fourths. Now I have how many groups of 3/4 are in 15/4? So let's find out. 1, 2, 3. Here's one set. 1, 2, 3. Here's another set. I'm going to go all the way over to here. 1, 2, 3. There's another set. 1, 2, 3. There's another set. And then with my leftovers, I have 3, but they're not all from the same piece, but that's okay. So I'm going to show it a little bit of a different green. You still have those pieces. So how many, I guess, circles, or how many groups or sets do we have? Well, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full sets, that means that 15/4 divided by 3/4, or how many sets, is equal to my 5. So there it is, 5 sets. So how many sets of 3/4 are in 15/4? And that's where we end up with 5. Last example. 10 thirds divided by 2 thirds. So in your brain, you ask yourself, how many sets of 2 thirds are in 10 thirds? I'm going to move up a little to make myself. So 1, 2, 3. All right. 4, 5, 6. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. Haha. And there we go. Well, we need 10 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sets of 2 thirds. How many sets of 2 thirds are there? So I'm going to go with groups of 2. And one thing you'll start to notice as you get better at this and more comfortable is that you set up your circles, 2 circles, so you can use what's easiest. There's another one. So I left one for each one there. Okay, and then what do I have here? There. And there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, so we have 5. So there are 5 sets. So 10 thirds divided by 2 thirds will give us 5. So there we go. That's when we have whole numbers as our answer, nothing left over. Okay, hopefully that helped.